You're addicted to chasing wheelies because it feels safe. You're like, man, if I bring it up any higher, if I bring the bike back any higher, I'm going to fall. You are actually. You're right. But like at the same time, chasing the wheelie is not safe because you're speeding out of control. Do you understand? We got guys that be wheeling sport bikes and they be chasing sport bikes and they're going 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. They never stop climbing in speed. They climb in speed until they finish the gear. Do you understand? If you fall at those speeds, you're done. It's much better to have control to where you can wheel it a bike and slow down. You think chasing your wheelie is safe, but it's actually worse. You chase the wheelie because you're scared to flip. You're scared to flip. You're chasing the wheelie because you don't have the control to not chase the wheelie. So you just say, fuck it. I'm just gonna chase this wheelie. But you don't want to fall. You're scared of falling. You're scared of flipping all the way back. So you keep it to a height to where you just stay chasing. Not knowing that chasing the wheelie is more dangerous. But what can you do? You can't help it. You don't have the control. The easiest thing to do is just click the link in my bio, bro. If you click the link, I will train you step by step how to stop chasing your wheelie without looping. Everyone is gonna tell you, oh, you gotta loop a few times. It's trial and error, it's seat time, it can't be taught. That's what they saying. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. I'm saying there's a proper way to learn. You can go through each stage gradually to balance point. Look. You take one step at a time, right? Because if I want to get to the final step, let's say step 10, final step, and there's step 1, there's step 2, there's step 3. Literally, how do I get to the final step? I take each step, right? I can't skip any steps. I have to take each step. That's all you do with wheelies, bro. You take each step. If you skip a step, then you risk falling. Now, these people loop their bikes to learn, trial and error. Trial and error just means I don't know what steps to take. So I'm going to try and experience error